Chapter 4 New Project with Cloud Resource Manager API Client for .NET. Introduction. We will use Google API Client libraries for .NET for this sample. There are other libraries. Please see Google Client Libraries explained for details. We will use the Cloud Resource Manager API for creating or managing projects. Let's get started. Remarks. Putting it all together. You should have two files. The first file is other called packages.config or project.json. Let's name the second file program.cs. All the code that was included in the sections above may be passed into a single main method using system dot collection dot generic using system dot threading dot task using Google APIs auth using Google APIs Cloud Resource Manager v1 using Google APIs service using data Google APIs Cloud Resource Manager v1 data namespace our first project public class program private const storing project id your project id private const storing application name test public static void main storing args var scopes new storing cloud resource manager service dot scope dot cloud platform google credential task run google credential dot get application default result credential is create scope required credential scoped create scopes cloud resource manager service new cloud resource manager service new base client service installer http client installer credential application name console write line create project data operation 1 service project create new data project id execute console write awaiting operation completion data operation 2 do operation 2 service operations get operation name execute console write line operation 2 done 2 storing system threading thread sleep while operation 2 done true console write line enter to continue console write line deleting project var operation 3 service project delete project id execute if you are using windows and visual studio start if you are using linux you should first restore the packages then run the app .NET restore .NET run. The output should be similar to compiling project for .NET Core app version v1. Completion successed. Warning error. Time elapsed 0000 01416196. Create project.